In the 1980s, supercars were kings of the road. Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Porsches dominated the performance world. But in 1986, a Mercedes sedan arrived that changed everything. A car so fast, so powerful, that it could outrun the world's best exotics while carrying 4 passengers in comfort. This is the AMG Hammer, the first true super sedan. Before AMG was officially part of Mercedes-Benz, it was a small but ambitious tuning company that specialized in turning ordinary Mercedes sedans into high-performance machines. By the mid-1980s, AMG had already gained attention with powerful versions of the S-Class and SL, but they wanted to take things even further. Their canvas? The W124 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a car known for its reliability and comfort. But AMG saw potential for something much greater, something that could challenge the fastest cars of its time. AMG knew that power was the key. The standard W124 came with a range of inline-4 and inline-6 engines, and even a small V8. But that wasn't enough. AMG removed the stock engine and installed a massive 5.6-liter V8 from the Mercedes S-Class, which put out about 360 horsepower, and then took things even further. To push the limits even more, AMG increased the displacement to 6 liters, added a dual overhead cam setup, and reworked the internals for maximum performance to boost the car up to 385 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. This gave the AMG Hammer a 0 to 60 in 5 seconds, a quarter mile in 13.5 seconds, and a top speed of 186 miles per hour or 300 kilometers an hour. These numbers may not seem extreme today, but in 1986, this was supercar territory. The AMG Hammer was faster than the Ferrari Testarossa, quicker than the Lamborghini Countach, and could outrun a Porsche 911 Turbo on the Autobahn. A sedan built for high-speed runs needed stability and control. AMG completely overhauled the W124 suspension, adding stiffer springs, upgraded shocks, and a reinforced chassis to handle the extra power. They also widened the track and added massive performance tires for better grip. To keep it stable at high speeds, AMG designed a subtle yet aggressive body kit with an aerodynamic front bumper, flared fenders, and a sleek rear lip spoiler. Because of its extreme price tag, very few were built. Some estimates say as few as 13 sedans and a handful of coupes and wagons exist today, making the AMG Hammer one of the rarest AMG cars ever made. So what do you think? Would you take the AMG Hammer over a Ferrari or Porsche from the 80s? Let me know in the comments.